How's it going, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys a proper step-by-step guide for how to add a vertical or portrait form video to your Squarespace website. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, and if you guys stick with us until the end of the video, I'll be showing you just how to do it step by step. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to log into our Squarespace CSS panel as an administrator. So obviously, to do this, you would want to go to Squarespace website, and like I said, you would want to log in as an administrator. So what we're essentially doing here is we're getting access to our website source code or CSS panel. So once you guys are at the homepage and on the dashboard, you basically want to follow this path here. So design and custom CSS. So you want to follow this path and you want to look for your source code, right? So you want to look for this line of code right here. And because Squarespace CSS panel has a tool for searching lines of code, you can just look this up and it should take you there. And when you do, you want to add this line of code right here, right below it. So padding -bottom colon 100% important. So this code right here, just basically copy paste it. So once you're done with that, simply hit save, review the details, and once everything seems to be in order, you're done. So if you guys hit save and reload your website, you should see that the videos are now displayed in portrait form or vertical video form. And yeah, that's really all it takes. Simply add this command line right here to your CSS panel and you're good to go. So hopefully this video helped you guys out. And if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily. So if you guys want to show your support that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.